Semiconductors, there are two types of semiconductors. One is N-type and other is P-type. N-type semiconductor, when a small amount of pentavalent impurity like arsenic is added to the pure germanium, which has 4 valence electrons, it created N-type semiconductor. This is the N-type semiconductor figure, and 4 number of germanium valence electron and 4 number of arsenic's valence electron, 4 make a covalent bond, and 1 number of electron of arsenic become excess. In this way, many small amount of impurity make many number of free electron, and this is a energy band of N-type semiconductor. This is conduction band and this is valence band. In conduction band, many number of free electrons. In valence band, only few number of holes are created. And this is N-type semiconductor circuit. When connected in this way, many free holes are here, which will attracted by the positive terminal of the battery, and current will be flow. This is P-type semiconductor. When small amount of impurity, tetravalent impurity like gallium is added to the pure germanium, which has 4 number of valence electron. So here is also 4 number of germanium and 3 number of electron of gallium will make a covalent bond, and in case of germanium, that is 1 electron will be deficient. So here is hole will be created. But small amount of impurity adding, many number of hole will be created. Free hole will be created, and this is the energy band of P-type semiconductor. Energy band, conduction band, few number of electron. In valence band, many free holes are seen. And P-type semiconductor is circuit diagram. Here is positive terminal, negative terminal. When free holes will attracted by the negative terminal, current will flow. Actually, no hole will flow in the outer of the circuit. Electron will flow, and circuit will be completed in this way. This is the P-type semiconductor and N-type semiconductor. Thank you.